So today we will calculate the practical bandwidth of a FM modulated signal. What we have theoretically seen, that number of sidebands in FM theoretically is infinite, therefore bandwidth of FM modulated signal is theoretically infinite. But for practical consideration, there is an important rule or theory that was derived by Carson, known as Carson rule. What is that? It is seen that 98% of the bandwidth, 98% of the energy or power of the FM modulated signal is limited to a particular band or bandwidth. That after some calculation I have shown, very simply you can understand, that has been derived as twice k FM or 2 into beta plus 1 into FM. That means by substituting beta equals to del F plus FM, we can see the bandwidth is twice del F plus FM. This is very important formula for exam and also for interview and for any understanding. Some general message I have given here, you try to understand this. And one thing I am going to tell you, that whenever you are going for frequency deviation, that it means peak frequency deviation, because if you consider a message FM modulated signal, depending on the amplitude of the message signal, the frequency deviation of the FM modulated signal will be different. Eventually, the frequency at a different instant of the time will be different. That is a great challenge in FM demodulation technique. We will see later. Therefore, we call instantaneous frequency or instantaneous phase, because frequency and phase or angle of a FM modulated signal changes instantly, instant-wise. Okay, as you see here, if this is the message signal and this is the carrier signal, here you see the frequency here increased as it is positive half, and it is at the positive peak when message signal, the frequency deviation is higher, or eventually frequency of the instantaneous frequency is highest, and here once again it decreases in that sense. From the peak deviation it is decreases, though frequency increases of the carrier signal as it is in the positive half till, and for the negative half it is once again reducing the frequency of the carrier signal. Therefore, what we see, that there are different frequency deviation at different instant, and the highest frequency deviation is actually termed as frequency deviation of an FM signal or delay. Here another message, that this is the way of FM modulation representation, but for phase modulation you have to go for a tricks that you cannot directly draw the phase modulated signal. That will be difficult. That's why at first the derivative of the signal is calculated, because if you can